Hey guys, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best outdoor storage boxes that will keep your space neat, organized, and ready for any adventure. From durable materials to weather-resistant designs, these storage boxes are the perfect addition to any outdoor space. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Box. Well designed and spacious, the Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Box is perfect for your pool and garden area. First, because it's made of durable, weather-resistant material that won't fade, rot, or rust easily, you'll get years of use out of it. Plus, it features a modern lid design that keeps water out and your toys, tools, or decor dry. And to take its durability further, the double wall construction provides this box with extra strength and even longer lasting protection for the items stored inside. Aside from its durability, this outdoor storage box comes in two capacities, 74 and 134 gallons, making it ideal for storing garden tools, sporting equipment, and more. Next up, we have the YardStash Outdoor Storage Box. The YardStash Outdoor Storage Box perfectly organizes your outdoor space and keeps your belongings safe. Crafted from a durable vinyl tarp, this storage box can withstand any weather nature throws its way. Its sealed seams and strong metal poles add another layer of protection against the elements. The best part, its quick and easy 15-minute assembly makes it so simple to set up and take down anytime or anywhere. Plus, with dimensions of 60-25-28, you can maximize your storage without taking up too much space. With its waterproof lid, splash-proof mesh vent, adjustable straps and buckles, and lightweight and portable design, this storage box will quickly become your go-to solution for all outdoor storage needs. Keep patio furniture, cushions, garden tools, and anything else you need tucked away from the rain and the sun. Moving on to our third pick, the Keter Westwood Outdoor Storage Box. If you, like me, love a stylish wood aesthetic, the Keter Outdoor Storage Box may tick all the right boxes. This box is expensive, but its wood look design offers a rustic touch that's sure to go well with the rest of your outdoor space's furniture and decor. Even better, it has a generous 150-gallon storage capacity that can easily store your furniture, cushions, pool accessories, and more. What's more, the box is made of PP polypropylene, which is weather resistant, doesn't peel, and won't decay like natural wood. Simply put, you'll be able to enjoy the charming look of wood without any of its irritating drawbacks. Along with its durability, this box keeps your belongings well ventilated and dry, so you can rest assured about their condition and safety. So, if you're looking for a reliable outdoor storage box that doesn't compromise on aesthetics, you've found your match. Our fourth pick is the Suncast Outdoor Storage Box. If you're on the hunt for something a little bit more affordable and compact, this multi-purpose Suncast Outdoor Storage Box is a perfect choice. Although it is comparatively smaller than other options, it doesn't take up much space on your patio while also featuring a pretty lightweight, easy-to-move design. Additionally, it boasts a durable resin construction that can withstand regular wear and tear and keeps your stored belongings safe. As the cherry on top, assembly is relatively minimal and doesn't take too long, so you'll be able to use your new outdoor storage box in no time. Last but certainly not least, we have the YITAHOME Outdoor Storage Box. Worried that your outdoor belongings may get stolen? Well, then it's time to invest in the YITAHOME Outdoor Storage Box. Featuring a lockable design, this box is made to keep your possessions safe and secure. Additionally, it's made of a high-quality polyresin material that doesn't fade or rust easily, adding to both its security and sturdiness. In terms of how the box performs, its design is all around quite convenient and functional. The lid smoothly opens and closes, while the ergonomic handles make it easy for you to carry the box around as needed. And since it's available in 5 subtle colors, you're sure to find the perfect match for your porch, patio, or yard. And there you have it. The top 5 best outdoor storage boxes to keep your space neat, organized, and ready for anything. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and enjoy the great outdoors.